The overall goal of this procedure is to cryopreserve mouse embryos in liquid nitrogen and to thaw them for recovery of live mice. This is accomplished by first immersing mouse embryos in equilibration medium, transferring them into vitrification medium in a cryotube, and then placing them in a liquid nitrogen tank. Later, embryos can be thawed in a high osmotic medium and incubated in culture medium until they are transferred into recipient females. Ultimately, results show survival of more than 90% of the embryos after vitrifying thawing and birth rates between 30 to 70% after embryo transfer.
The main advantage of this technique is that the permeable cryoprotectant, ethylene glycol, is less toxic to embryos than conventional cryoprotectants. Demonstrating the procedure will be a technician from my laboratory.
Prior to beginning this protocol, prepare 2-cell mouse embryos in culture obtained by natural mating or conventional IVF techniques. To a cryotube, for eventual storage, add 50 microliters of embryo freezing solution EF-S40. Then, prepare a 35 mm or 60 mm plastic petri dish with 50 microliters of room temperature EF-S20. Use a glass capillary to transfer up to 30 embryos to the dish. Be careful to avoid transferring the culture medium. Also, to ensure the embryo's dehydration, place them in the bottom of the drop. After about 60 to 90 seconds, use a capillary